Don't you guys worry. I'll be there tomorrow. Lieutenant Dan on the scene. For those of you that have been putting out the clickbait videos, I've got a very special set of cuffs just for you. Be looking forward to it.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, sailing through the sky.
Oh, she's looking shiny. All the rims are clean now. Everything's clean, washed, waxed. She's sexy. Just finished up with the mirrors. Put the throttle lock on there for the long ride so I can cruise control. Just lock it into place. I'll probably be using my navigator most of the time with the Bluetooth in my helmet. She'll be riding on the back, being all happy, doing her happy thing. Everything should be nice and shiny now. She looks sexy. There we go. Oh, she's sexy. Oh, yeah. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for me until we start packing, which happens tomorrow. Then I'm going to go down and fill this up with gas, and it should be ready for the long haul. So, see you tomorrow.
I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa. Papa, I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, I'd say. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, I'd say. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, I'd say. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, I'd say. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa. I'd say. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, I'd say. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, I'd say. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, I'd say. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, I'd say. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa. I'd say.
About every single one of these is taken up. Look at this parking spot. That's kind of crazy. Almost every single one of these is taken up. Should we say hi to everybody? Just roll in on them.
You know, I took a toothpick trying to, so you know how they kind of spring out? I was trying to learn to spring it out, and I shoved it in there. So I can just use the, so I can just use the internal student storage or whatever.
Oh, Bill wants to know if I'm here. Coast to coast.
Oh.
Wants to know if I've arrived yet.
Oh, okay. Are you live?
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm just doing things.
I see.
It's weird. This is awkward now. I'm going to turn it off. Okay. All right. In between the boats, Tej.
He wants to get in the air while you're swimming. All right.
Well, you only got a couple seconds, man. He's got fluid in there, so.
Keep the weapon pointed up.
All right, Tej. Down range. In between the boats.
TJ, aim for the drone. No, no, no. Don't do that.
3, 2, 1, punch it.
Told you. Sounds like a freaking shotgun.
Oh my god. Hi, babe. Oh, bunch of people here today. Good turnout. Definitely good turnout. I think I'm almost ready to go get. My gear? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. There's a lot of random shit plugging in right now, so we'll see. Saying goodbye to this drone meet. We're gonna go grab some lunch, right, babe? Lunch. We're going to Shuckers. They're doing prizes now. We're dipping. We're going across the bridge over to there. So that's where we're headed. Yeah? Could be fun. Could be fun. Alright, we just left the drone meet. Now we're heading over to Shuckers, which is over there. I said hi to a lot of people. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of footage of me. I didn't really take tons of footage because my interest level really is about tomorrow, which is the free flying, which I'm not about to do over here at the causeway because there's too much opportunity for people to get plugged in on. So we're not going to do that, but we are going to go grab some awesome food and then go to the beach and then fly some of the hotels that are down this way because it's fucking awesome. That's why. Yeet, yeet. Let's go. All right, we just got to Shuckers and we're gonna eat some awesome food. Step back a little bit, babe. I'm gonna push the bike backwards a little bit. I want to give this Suburban room to get out. Good to go? Sorry to bail early, boys, but we are on our vacation and having fun too. So we're at everybody's favorite place. You guessed it, good old Shuckers. And when we're done, I'm gonna go grab my drone and I'm gonna go rip the hotel next to this because it's gonna be fun. Seafood first, then rippage.
Then sunset.
Yeah, then sunset.
Please, Jen.
What she said, sunset to please Jen. There we go. I got the conch chowder because it looks good. I hope. It looks interesting. Caesar, what'd you get?
Caesar ranch salsa.
Alright. No, that looks really good. That is the vegetarian burger, yes? Right? Yeah. And this is the seafood, basically cannoli. I want to say that's basically what it is. It's interesting. It's like a mancati shell is what it should be, except they did it in a strange fashion. But this has crab, shrimp, lobster, calamari. There's a bunch of stuff in this. Clam is supposed to be delicious. Delicious. Let's go.
Josie's on a vacation far away. Come around and talk it over. So many things that I wanna say. You know I like my girls a little bit older. I just wanna use your love tonight. I don't wanna lose your love tonight.
Felon Fort Pierce. We have about 8 miles to go. This is probably the most beautiful part of the A1A. Every time I come, I love to go this way. It's just gorgeous. I mean, obviously rich people in the area, but there's the Coast Guard. I thought there was I could have sworn there was some kind of museum here. Like the Oceanography Museum of something. Last time I drove through here, I thought there was some kind of crazy museum along here. We'll see. We're about to get in town here, so.
Look at me.
Yeah, I hear you. We just got to the hotel. Hey, you.
I'll be out soon, just like 1 hour.
You're tired. She's tired. I'm tired. Nice room. Oh, I'm so full from dinner. It was delicious. Dinner was delicious. We got stuff we got to charge. I don't know what's going off. I don't know what's making noise.
It's the AC.
You think it's the AC? I don't. I think it's something over here. Oh, see? Look, it says end. Somebody started the microwave before leaving. There we go. Now we know.
I should have bought popcorn.
Yes, popcorn does sound good.
For my
That's alright.
snack.
I gotta open the motorcycle packs now and go through everything. Yee! Day 1. Done.